Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Google Stitch just introduced another new exciting feature which is one-click export to AI Studio, and there you can use the Gemini 3 Pro model for building the entire screen that is made by the Google Stitch. So basically if you go to this Google Stitch, and here you see that there are many designs, and if you select all of these design by doing this type of Control A, and after that here click on this three dot and click on this export, and on the right hand side you will find that this export AI Studio is coming, and just write that build this for me, and now click on this build with AI Studio, and now it will go to the directly AI Studio, and there you can choose the Gemini 3 Pro. So the entire process I will show you in this video, step by step process. And here you see that guys, I have taken this smartwatch. This is the Boat smartwatch that I have taken, and this is Boat Wave Call 3. So this was the brand that I found. It has some kind of exceptional features. And can you suggest me some other popular brands that offers the best smartwatch? Please comment down below. Okay, so let's see what are the features that they have released. Here you see no more manual copy pasting HTML and dragging images. Just hit the export button and Stitch automatically opens AI Studio with your full context HTML plus screen and attached and ready to go. So here you see that yesterday AI Studio gets Gemini 3. We all know I have already made several videos on this Gemini 3, and yes, there was another ID from Google which was the anti-gravity. So please do check out this video. Here they are providing currently Gemini 3 free access, and also the Claude Sonnet 4.5 free access. Okay, so please check out this video. And here you see that it is the perfect storm. You can now easily build your beautiful designs with the most capable model available. So it was also the most requested feature. So here you see that they have just published one demo video. Let me play it for you so that you can understand. So see here. After giving the requirement, it will give you the all of the designs. Just select all of that screen here. Just do the Control A, and or you can just drag all of that screen, click on this export, select the AI Studio, and after that just give it that make it real. Okay, and after that click on this build with AI Studio, and it will now go to directly the AI Studio, all of that screen, click on this build, and here you see that the magic, within a second it will be ready for using. Here you see the all of that screen are now ready to use, and it is exactly same as the design that is generated by the Stitch. Okay, so here you see that this is their official video that they have published. Okay, so let's see it in real time that how it actually works. So now go to this Stitch platforms. This is a Stitch with google.com. The link is given in description. Go there. After that, give any requirement. And another thing is that they have published another feature which is the rapid. Okay, so previously there was a pro mode, and now they have added this rapid and concept. So please use it. This rapid is for the fast design using the Gemini Flash, and this concept is like creative designs. Okay, it is powered by the Nano Banana, and I am very much interested for this Pro because they provide the high quality designs. I don't want the rapid design. I am fine with the some kind of medium speed designs. So just go with this Pro model, and after that keep your requirements. And here you see that I have just generated this travel booking website, and after all of these designs get generated, so let me place me on the left hand side or in the middle, and after that just select all of this, just select all of this in this way, and click on this three dot, click on this export, on the right hand side AI Studio, and on the left hand side here you see that all of these images are placed in this input box. Now here in this description section just write build this app, or you can say build this website in real. Okay, just write this build and click on this build with AI Studio, and also there is a Jules section is available, and I have already made this Jules video previously. So this Jules feature was also there previously. Now this AI Studio got introduced in this stitch. Click on this build with AI Studio, and now it will open another tab for this AI Studio, and you will see that all of the designs will be populated here. Okay, so let's see. Here you see that one image has populated, and in this way all of the other image will be shown here. So all of that images I have got. Now click on this build. Okay, so click on this build. So now you will see the magic. The entire website, all of the pages, it will show you. So let's wait for that. And now here you see that this is the output that I have got, a beautiful website, and all of the images also is present here, a beautiful footer, and also these menus are working fine. There's a beautiful filter, so it has exactly taken from this design. Okay, from this design. And you see that without design, when I tested this, I have got this kind of a normal dummy website. Okay, so that's why the design is very important. So please try this feature. It is already there in Google Stitch, and please try it and let me know your experience in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel and if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.